Hello again. So when you complete the downloading of the Git software, you simply run it and choose next without changing anything. So next, etc. Of course, there are some options right here, but of course we don't care about them right now. Then next, and next. Then it asks you to enable file system caching, enable Git credential management, and so on. So we don't care about those options right now. Of course, this option will be useful when you master the Git and the GitHub. When you need some more advanced option, then you can change the option to fit your situation or your project or etc. So the installation will complete successfully. Then we can run the command git in our terminal or in our console. So here is it. When the installation complete, we can launch the Git Bash. If you want to see some realist note about the Git, you can run it. So we click next, and here is it, the bash of the Git. So here you can run the first command git version like that to see the version, the 2.26 and 2 Windows versions. You see, it's the same version that we downloaded right here. So here we can run the command of the Git in this Bash software. But as you see, this terminal or this console, it's look awkward, and you need to work with a console that you feel comfortable with it. I don't prefer to use the console of the Git because I don't feel comfortable using it. So you can, of course, use the CMD. So the same, if we tap Git version like that, you will see that the version available in the Git. So anything that we're going to do it with the Git console, we can do it from the CMD. And for that, if you take one of my course about the command line, we can also use the Simder. I always prefer to use the Simder console to do any command line in my computer. So I always prefer to use the Simder. So here you see my Simder software. You can go to Google and search for Simder to download this software. It's a portable version and it's beautiful. You see it give you some color and it make the work easy for you in the command line. So the same we can run command git version to see if the git is integrated with the Simder. You see we get the same version. That means the Simder can detect the command line available from the Git. So from now and in the future, we're going to use the Simder console to do anything. And of course, if you don't want to use the Simder, you can run the same command in the Git console or in the CMD console. It's the same, but as I tell you, I prefer to use the Simder because it is more comfortable for me. So see you in the next video to start the first command line of the Git.